Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
As number one approaches the venue of this event, there is a receiving party, and at the head of that receiving party is His Excellency the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, along with the Honorable Minister of State, FCT, the Chief of Staff to the Honorable Minister of the FCT, the Head of Service of the FCT, the Executive Secretary FCDA, along with the Managing Director of CETRACO. The welcome party and the receiving party for His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who in a short while will be arriving the venue of this event. I urge you all to please return to your seats. We already have the State Chief of Protocol, who has arrived ahead of the presidential motorcade. And like I said, the arrival and welcome receiving party is led by the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, His Excellency Senator George Akume. Arriving to join is Right Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila, the Chief of Staff to Mr. President. The Honorable Minister of the FCT is already in the waiting and welcoming party ahead of everyone else. As chief host of this event, Ezenwo Wike, Honorable Minister of the FCT, in conversation with His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is the receiving party. The Honorable Minister of State FCT, the Chief of Staff to the FCT Minister, the Head of Service, and the Executive Secretary of FCDA, and the Managing Director of CETRACO. Mr. President has arrived. Can we have the national anthem?